Hello, welcome to the Jojuma channel. I will show you this time how to manage recipes using FactoryTalk Editor, the recipe editors. I think this is a very easy way you can manage recipes and apply it to your industrial process. So let's begin. So here I have a project. I'm calling it Tortilleria, and I'll show you what would you need. First, you will need to create an object. Very easy. Right click, new object. You can call it whatever you want, and you will be adding variables. And these are the ingredients your recipe schema will use. Next, you will need to create the recipe schema. The same. You right click on the folder, new recipe schema. You can call it anything. You will need to store it in a database. I'll show you that in a moment. You'll need to create a table name, and well, you need to target node or link this to an object. That's the object we already created before. And as I was told you, you will need a place to save it. This time I choose a SQL server, a MySQL database. You will need to put the data of your database. Here is running on a local server, your port, and well, whatever information you need to access your database. Okay, let me show you this running. Here I have the machines. I'm simulating some variables here. Here I have a recipe tab, and you can load whatever recipe is being working. At the moment, we don't have any. So let's check. Here we have three types of maize tortilla. We have two of flour. We have a burrito tortilla. Let's apply the maize number one. Click apply. And well, now our machines are working uh, with these ingredients related to the recipe schema we already apply. But we can create new types of recipes, or in this case, tortillas. Let's call this taquera. And taquera needs a very small amount of flour, very small amount of water. It has to be really hot. It has to be fast. Speed here is equal for any type of tortilla, and we'll do it this 6 times. So we go create and save this, and now we have another type of tortilla. No? So if you are liking this, give me a thumbs up, please. I'll show you how this is on the database visualization. Look, here we have the recipe name and the variables for each type of tortilla. And if we click here and refresh, we'll have the new type, the taquera type. So thank you for watching until here, until the end. Um, if you want to learn more, discuss about it, feel free to reach me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.